Hello beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart and today I will be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this look right here using none other than my Pat McGrath Labs Mothership VIII palette. I really enjoyed creating this look. I love how it turned out. I'm so excited for the pictures. No joke, I am. I'm so excited for the pictures. Oh my goodness, don't worry, we're gonna get to the tutorial soon. But before we do, make sure that you hit that like button, comment below and let me know if you'd like to see what other looks you'd like to see from me in the future. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color C7. This is the color that I use to set specific areas on my face, so I'm just using that to kind of blend out the upper crease area of my eye so that the base isn't so harsh. I am using a brighter base so that the colors show up a little bit more pigmented. Next, I'm going to take my Coverfx in the color Blackout by Danessa Myricks, and I'm going to create my cut crease. So I'm going to start that line from the inner portion of my eye and work it to the edge. And when I get to the end there, as you just saw, I just flick it up to create the desired shape. Then you can go in and just darken the line just a little bit and perfect that shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want the overall shape to be visible. Next, I'm going to take a pointed blended brush and just blend out the top of that base so it's not so harsh. Then I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath Labs color Extreme Burgundy, right? And I'm going to place that, just pack it on directly onto that black base. So I'm just going to follow that line all the way from the end to the from the inner corner to the outer corner, just packing that color in. So right now I'm just making sure that the color is visible on top of black. Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend that color up and out just to make sure it's diffused and there are no harsh lines. Okay, next I'm going to take the color Naked Blush from the same palette, and I'm going to use that color to blend out the top edge of the Extreme Burgundy color and bring that just right under my eyebrow. Next, I'll go in with my P. Louise Cosmetic Paint in the color Blank Canvas. I'm going to use that to carve out the line for my shadow. So we're going to make this a cut crease. It's going to be very defined. Just take your time, follow that line, because this is where you want to perfect the line. If you made any, bloopers when you were putting that black color down, this is where you're going to, perfect it and crisp the line. Next, I'm going to take that base and I'm just going to fill in that whole mobile lid portion of the eye. And this is what it should look like. Once you're done, I went ahead and did both eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Gold Lust from the same Pat McGrath palette, and I'm going to pack that on the inner third of the eye. Actually, a little bit more than the inner third, but you'll see. And that's just for the purpose of blending it in with the next color that we're going to use. So just go ahead and keep on blending that in, patting from side to side. I really, really like this palette, guys. Very versatile. Now, is this an everyday palette? No, but I guess because I do clients and stuff like that, I've used this a couple times so far on clients. So I've actually transitioned this particular palette to my client list. All right, so next I'm going to go in with the color Rose Seduction. It's such a pretty, vibrant pink. I don't think that the video does it justice, but I'm going to place that in the next third portion of my eye. Just pat that on, pack it in. Be careful that you don't go over that line that you created with the cut crease. And then to blend those two colors together, you're going to take and just lightly pat over where those two colors meet to sort of merge them together, so you can't tell where one starts and the other one ends. Next, I'm going to go back in with the color Extreme Burgundy, and I'm going to put that on the outer V of the eye. So I'm going to start at the end there. It's almost like a winged effect that we're creating. And then I'm just going to bring it in ever so slightly. So ever so slightly, and then also run it along the lash line. Maybe bring about a third of the way in on the lash line, and then just blend it up. And then you want to merge it also with that the pink color as well. All right, so you're just going to keep blending. Blending is key. And I'm not gonna lie, this look took a little bit longer than I normally take, but that's because it's so detailed. But it's so worth it in the end, because honestly it looks so good. I got a lot of compliments on it, and the pictures came out great. Generally, I don't wear these type of looks out, but I think this is wearable, guys. I really do. Special occasion, I would definitely rock this. So we're going to keep on blending, and I'm just showing you how it goes on the other side. You just perfect it, and you want to make sure that when you're coming to the edge or the corner of the eye, that you're blending up so that your face remains lifted, okay? All right, always check for symmetry. Next, we're going to go ahead and basically we're going to put all those colors that we have on the top. We're just going to pack them on the bottom, on the lower lash line. So start with Extreme Burgundy. So first I pack it on, and then after I pack it on and the color is good and visible, then I blend it out. So now you can see me actually trying to blend it in. So pack it on really good and thick and heavy. I like a very smoky bottom lash line, so you do this to your liking. You don't have to go as heavy as I did. Then I'm going to go in with the Seduction color and put that in the middle towards the inner corner. Just go ahead and blend that out. This is going to give us a nice dimension to the eyes. It's going to open the eyes up a lot. And now you can just put the pink down here, or you can go in and with the gold color, you can put it in the innermost corners of the eye. I personally didn't. I just stuck with the pink, but that's a personal preference. So now we'll just go ahead and we will knock away all of the powder that we used to catch any fallout. And there was none, guys. I am happy to report that. All right, so more blending, because blending, listen, you can't get enough blending, okay? Guys, so I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I know I might have mentioned it. I think I might have mentioned it in the intro or outro, but if I didn't, thinking about doing a giveaway. You guys let me know. Would you rather a palette or something else? Comment below and let me know. So now you see the look coming together. I added my lashes off camera, and once you put your lashes on, always adjust them and make sure that they, that they're formed to your eyes. Don't just plop them on and leave them. Next, I'm going to go in with Antique Velvet Matte Lipstick by MAC. I always use this to line my lips instead of a liner. I don't know, I just like it, and I feel like it lasts a long time. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Good Monin'. This is the MAC times Tiana Taylor collab. I liked it, but it wasn't enough, so I am going to go in with my ColourPop times Makeup Shayla lipstick in the color Quickie. That's actually my favorite nude right now. It's been that way for a while. And now you see it got the happy dance going. It's coming together, so I'm feeling a little good. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Snow Flush Extra Dimension Skin Finish. This one I think was a special edition, so you might not be able to find it, but it's a very pretty color. It's kind of got like a pink magenta tint to it and some gold in there as well. Because I'm extra, of course, I'm going to go in with my Danessa Myricks Lightwork palette. I put the color No Prob on top just to brighten it up, tone down a little bit of the pink purple that's going on with it. You can't really catch it on the camera, but yeah. And now I'm going to go in with blush. my NYX Sweet Cheeks in the color Bang Bang. I use this a lot, guys. I will start using different ones. So let's just touch up the lips, and that's it. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I love how it came out. I had a vision of what I wanted to do, and I wasn't sure if I could execute it perfectly, and it wasn't exactly how I envisioned, but honestly, I'm super happy with it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed this look. If you try to recreate this on yourself or on a client or anything like that, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. If you're not already, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, okay? Become a part of the family. I'm trying to post more content, more stories, and things of that nature, and I would love for you guys to come along for the journey with me as I try to grow myself and my business in this YouTube community and world, okay? So be sure to hit that like button, comment below, and let me know if you'd like to see anything else from me in the future, any particular looks. Also, if you want to see any particular reviews, because I plan on doing a foundation review soon. If there's any particular foundations, eyeshadows, or anything like that that you would like for me to review, comment that down below, all right? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.